Hello my friends, hello and welcome into the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. I have this really cute idea, you guys, to do a little bunny scenes. This one is got little like carrots, and this one has got the little, they're calling them Easter trees. How cute is that? Most of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. Obviously the wood rounds are not, but I'll show you how I put mine together. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy. What a cute gift, right? Let's jump right in and get started. Okay. These little scenes, I guess we're going to call these. We're going to start with a wood round, and you can get wood round pieces anywhere. You can buy them online. These have already been cut for me. These are actually quite a few years old. This one lost all of its bark already, and this one's kind of starting to break that away, actually. But it's no big deal. You know, sometimes they get bark, sometimes they don't. If you want, you could always just paint a dark color on that. It's just what's going to happen. We're going to do two scenes. Each one is going to have a little bunny. Bunnies are little erasers from Dollar Tree. Cute are those, right? Just cute little bunny erasers. Super cute. But we're also going to be using, they're called Easter trees from Dollar Tree. And basically they're just bottle brush trees. They came in different colors. And then we've got the little eggs. These are from Hobby Lobby. We also have Easter carrots from Dollar Tree. These are cute too. We're going to use, one's going to have the carrots and the other one's going to have the trees. So let's go ahead and we'll do the tree one first. And I'm thinking with the little bunny, there's two different sizes of trees. So I'm thinking each size of tree would be super cute to do with the bunny, and then we'll put some eggs. So what I'm thinking, we need to put the trees down first, because we are going to put some fake grass down. Let's actually use our tacky glue here on this project. Hold these are wood little pieces on the trees here. Trying to get it a little bit further back just so that we can use more of the wood round for other things. Now I think I want to put the grass in before we get the bunny, because if we want to figure out where the bunny wants to go. This is called, it's called the Easter blanket. Easter blanket. It was from Hobby Lobby. But I have found that it's it's almost like if you pull batting, it's almost like batting. It's like green batting is what it kind of reminds me of. So we're going to use just a little bit of this. Again. Kind of enough for both wood round pieces, I'm thinking here. But this batting stuff, though, it has this, it kind of has layers to it. It has layers. The one side is more flat and the other side is more fluffy. So I'm just going to cut up, I think we're just going to cut up pieces of it and just kind of stick it on our project here. So it's kind of like snow, but grass. I'm going to take more of our tacky glue. I want to put some on the little tree bases because we do want it around. Just going to spread out your tacky glue for wherever you want the grass to go. And then I think just to kind of finish off the project, we're going to do the back to look a little more finished. Oh, this fluffy grass here. So cute. Alright, then we're going to stick our little bunny friend in there. And I think he needs a couple of egg friends. Let's stick a couple of eggs next to him. Alright, and he is all done. How cute is that? Little bunny scene. So cute. Now we're just going to do this other one a little bit different. I was thinking about using the same grass, but then I changed my mind. I think on this one we might actually do, we'll do the green Spanish moss. I think we might do the green Spanish moss on this one. But we are going to use the carrots, little carrot versions here. These are just like the trees, but they're basically opposite. They basically took the trees and put them upside down with little carrot tops on them. So cute. It's a really cute idea, actually. But I think for this bunny, I'll just do the little ones. Yeah. I'm going to do the little ones. But again, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to tack the glue. But then we're going to use the Spanish moss. This I got at Walmart. For a refill on my glue, apparently. And it doesn't have to be like just completely covered. You see the white now because of the glue, but when it dries you won't see it. It won't be white anymore. Bunny friend in here as well. So he needs a good little flat surface to get into. So I gotta move the Spanish moss around a little bit here. Get him in there. Let my bunny in there. And because he's got carrots with him, he doesn't need, I don't think he needs any eggs. So, cute is that, right? These would be cute sitting on a little coffee table. So adorable. Alright guys, that's it for today. It's really super quick today. Just little mini scenes with little bunnies and carrots and trees and all the things. Very cute. Please keep coming back and seeing more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.